Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily edit journal entry on QuickBooks. Just head over to qbo.intuit.com and log into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on Reports. And from here, let's just start typing a report name. Just type Journal, then click on Journal. And from here, you can see a list of all your journal entries. And to edit any journal entry, just click on the specific entry. You will then be redirected to a page where you can edit that specific journal entry. Here, you can edit details if you want to make changes on that specific entry. Then once done, just click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!